Good day, everyone. This is Miss Kristine Arevalo, LMS Supervisor, welcoming you all to our Pegasus Learning Management System, the official online educational platform of the Arellano University, personalized and customized for your virtual needs, giving you the vibes of being an Arellionite. In order to access the PLMS, visit www.arellanoLMS.com. This can be done in any browser installed in your laptops or desktops. You will now enter the landing page, which shows the founder's philosophy and the 7 branches of the university plus the ETF program. Each campus has its drop-down menu to choose whether you belong to the basic education, college, or graduate school. Click on your level and you will proceed to the login page. This is where you should enter your username and password given by the department or telemarketers. Upon logging in, you will see your personal dashboards with the announcement area for the things that the university would like to announce or remind you. We also have a COVID awareness area to remind us that we can help in stopping the spread of germs by following health protocols. Policy manuals, netiquettes, and LMS manual is uploaded in this area. Deadline of activities can be seen in our timeline and will be reminded by our toggle notifications menu. Contact details of the LMS support team is presented in this area. You may call us from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. regarding your LMS technical concerns. Enrolled subjects is listed under the My Courses, and you have to click on the subject short name to visit the subject page. This contains the full details of our subject, lessons, activities, and examinations. As for the lessons, they may be uploaded in different formats. Videos, which can be watched anytime. It can be PowerPoints, Word documents, PDFs, or any downloadable file. Gentle reminder, downloadable materials are owned by the professors and or the university and should never be given to anyone without permission. For DLPs and activities, you were given with a readable and downloadable material which you may use in any way comfortable for you. To submit your works, click Add Submission and then upload a file that is saved on your desktops or computers. Click Save Changes. Now your submission is in draft format. To submit it or to successfully submit, click Submit Assignment and a confirmation message. Click Continue. And you have now successfully submitted your works. Once done, you may go back to our subject page. For quizzes or examinations, click on the quiz and attempt quiz now. A message confirming your attempt with some reminders about the time limit and all the information about the exams is shown, and you have to click Start Attempt. Then you may now answer the examination. A floating time limit is indicated on the upper right corner of your screen for you to be reminded of the remaining time. After answering, click Finish Attempt and confirm your submission. Depending on the settings your teachers made, you may or may not see your scores and correct answer. After the quiz, you may now return to your subject page or to your dashboard. So that's the functionalities of our Pegasus Learning Management System. Welcome to Arellano University and enjoy learning.